guys ready for me? This is a proud moment for me and for our great city. I want my grandchildren to look back on today and say this was the time when my grandfather opened the eyes of his community to the unfortunate, to those who could not ordinarily get through life like the regular people in his community. Today, with the help of one of our city's best-known handicapped persons, we celebrate a new and enlightened chapter in our sense of lament, responsibility, and morality. Today, we look into the pleading eyes of the handicapped who need that extra bit of help and say, we will help you. We have compassion. We admire you for facing up to your limitations and seeking a life where happiness is not completely futile. To those of you who must be confined to a wheelchair, who must endure the restrictions imposed by misfortune, to you, we are here today to dedicate what I call the Ramp of Hope. Thank you. Thank you. To some, this may be just a simple structure, a convenience to ease the burden which life has inflicted on a poor minority. But I would say it differently. This is a commitment from us who have our health to those who do not. It says we accept our responsibility to take care of you. You, our handicapped friends, when your arms tire from the hardship of mobility, when your minds tire from the pressures of basic subsistence, when you can no longer endure, you can look to this symbol of sympathy and say to yourself, I do not have to get through life without a helping hand, for that helping hand is here for you. Let us now dedicate the Ramp of Hope to the can travel these steps without assistance. Well, I've said enough. Our feelings and attitudes are evident. And with that, I would like to ask our friend and symbol of those in his condition to dedicate the Ramp of Hope and be the first to roll down these planks, which are the fruit of the city's generosity. Mr. Shepherd, could we prevail upon you now to do the honors?
Billy.